So what I got here is a GE LED night light, and so what I was looking for was a light that's bright enough to fill up my 15 by 15 foot kitchen at night, such that my elderly parents can walk around, get a drink of water, go to the bathroom at night, and have sufficient lighting. So this particular one I found to be the brightest one I could find, which is 100 lumens. And so I find this to be equivalent to about a 15 watt to 20 watt light bulb. So you'll see here that this thing has a light sensor. So it has basically two settings. One is on and off, and then the other one is that it is auto sensing light. So let me go ahead and show you the measurements here. So this night light has the light sensor at the top. You could also flip it over and have the buttons on the top also if you want. So it is reversible in that manner. It is UL listed here. Also, the dimensions are 5.5 inches by 1.5 inches from left to right, top to bottom. So let me go ahead and give you a demo of the brightness here. I'll also put a link in the description area where you could get this. Now, I will show a demo of this in daylight, so you can actually see the difference between the light when it is off and also when it is on. Now, it's very hard to film in a very dark room, so hopefully this is a good balance and you'll get a good gist of just how bright it is. Now, this is daylight once again. It is sort of like an overcast day, so this gives you a very good feel here for just how bright it is. So this is a hallway. The hallway itself is about 18 feet, and you can see once again, let me pull back and show you the difference here, and you can imagine when it's at night just how bright this is. So that's really it, and I hope this helps, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.